Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT in a simple and practical way. Whether you are a student, working professional, or complete beginner, this tutorial will help you get started step by step. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. They ask a question, read the answer, and move on. But what if ChatGPT could act like a personal tutor, study partner, quiz creator, and note-taking assistant? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to learn any topic using ChatGPT. I will use artificial intelligence as example. Then I will give different prompts to ChatGPT, which will help us to get detailed information. The first step is learning the topic. Instead of typing a vague question, use a detailed prompt. So I'll ask ChatGPT, teach me the basics of artificial intelligence. Assume I am a complete beginner. Use examples from everyday life. Ask questions after each section. Now notice the difference. ChatGPT doesn't give just information, it teaches the topic step by step. It uses examples and even check understanding with questions. This is much closer to having a tutor than using a search engine. Now let's make the topic easier to understand. I'll ask ChatGPT, explain artificial intelligence using only real-life examples. Use examples from smartphones, YouTube, Google Maps, Netflix, and online shopping. So this is one of the most useful learning techniques. Whenever a topic feels difficult, ask for real-life examples. Complex ideas become much easier when connected to things you already use every day. Now that we understand the basics, let's build a learning plan. So here I will ask ChatGPT, I want to learn artificial intelligence from scratch. Create a beginner-friendly 30-day learning roadmap. So instead of wondering what to study next, ChatGPT creates a structured path. This is especially useful when learning a new skill. You save time and avoid information overload. However, again, learning isn't enough. We also need to test ourselves. So here I am going to ask ChatGPT, create a beginner level quiz on artificial intelligence. Ask 10 multiple choice questions. Do not reveal the answers until the end. So we are getting the results here. This transforms passive learning into active learning. By answering questions, you identify what you understand and what needs more practice. Many students skip this step, but it is one of the most important parts of learning. Further, let's create revision notes. Now, finally, I can ask ChatGPT to create the revision notes. For that, I will give the prompt, create concise revision notes on artificial intelligence, use bullet points and include key terms and definitions. In seconds, ChatGPT organizes the topic into easy to review notes. So this is useful before exam interviews or whenever you need a quick refresher. Now what we understand is that how we can use ChatGPT in a way that it will make our learning easy. So let's again review the process. The step 1 was learning the topic, where we just asked ChatGPT to explain our topic. Second step was understanding the topic using examples. In step 3, we asked ChatGPT to build a roadmap of our learning topic. Next was quiz. I think quiz is one of the most important part of learning. It helps us to test our knowledge. At last, we asked ChatGPT to create revision notes. So this simple workflow can be used for almost any subject, whether it is artificial intelligence, programming, mathematics, marketing, or a new skill you want to learn. The goal is to not use ChatGPT as an answer machine, but the goal is to use it as a learning tool. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more videos about AI, learning systems, productivity, and digital skills.